to remove tension on this, okay, I don't know if you can see down there. Definitely put something down there because you're going to drop this 1,000 times. Now they make a tool that actually fits it and is long and you can get to everything. I don't know, can you see my wrench? That's the tensioner down there. If you can get your wrench on there, you got to get it almost straight up and down to give enough tension. Then you push it clockwise and it'll release. I can't video it at the same. It can be done with a wrench. It's not easy. You're gonna have this guy up here, which is easily gotten to, but you have one down there, which is not so easily gotten to. They want you to take all this off. All because it's all loosened.